Meaning of hard-hitting.
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 Hard-hitting. The phrase hard-hitting refers to something that is powerful, effective, and impactful. It could describe a person or an object that delivers a forceful blow, but it is more commonly used to describe writing, journalism, or criticism that is particularly forceful and uncompromising. Hard-hitting writing can be emotional, raw, and intense, often exposing uncomfortable truths or challenging authority and conventional wisdom. Its goal is usually to shock the reader into seeing things from a different perspective or to motivate them to take action. Overall, hard-hitting writing packs a punch and leaves a lasting impression on its audience.